Hey guys, it's Chad Riffle, bringing you a quick video on how to add audio to your Google Slides. So when you present a Google Slideshow in present mode, you can actually now add, as of this summer, a little audio button, and you can actually set that button to automatically play as soon as the slideshow begins. This is an excellent universal accommodation for our students who maybe struggle to read or just may need that extra audio reminder for directions or any other resource you might use it for. So here's how I added this little audio clip. So to do this, you're going to need two tools. The first is Google Slides, which if you have a Google G Suite for Education account, you already have that one. And the second is an audio capture device or an audio capture software. For me, I'm going to use a tool called Screencastify. It's a free extension that you can add on Chrome. There are many other resources. Many computers come with free software. You could use Audacity, any other tool that will record audio with a microphone. So the first step is actually you need to record the audio you want to add to your slideshow. So let's say I want to add some directions on here to complete slide 1, then go to slide 2. And I just want to make a quick audio direction on there. To do that, I'm going to click on my Screencastify tool, and I'm going to record it like I'm recording a normal video. So I'm just going to click in and record. Hey guys, welcome to our slideshow. Please complete the directions on slide 1, then go to slide 2. So now I've recorded my audio, and Screencastify, this particular tool brings it up in a web tool here, web-based tool. I'm going to give it a name, example audio, so that I can find it easily. And then on the right hand side, you've got this little download button. When you click that, one of the choices down here is export audio only. So I'm going to click that export audio only. It's going to take a second to load it, and then I can download it as an MP3. That's going to put it in my downloads bar at the bottom here, which is nice and easy. So I'm going to keep it in my downloads bar, and then I'm going to go to my slideshow here. And in my slideshow, I want to insert audio. It's going to ask me what audio I want to insert, and here is my example audio that I just downloaded. If it doesn't show up right here, because this is pulling it from your Google Drive, if your computer isn't set up to automatically download into your Google Drive, you may need to take this audio clip that I just recorded. You may need to go to your Google Drive and just upload it somewhere in your Google Drive where you'll be able to find it. So for me, I'm going to put it in this Untitled folder. I'm just going to drag it in there. So I just left clicked and dragged it into the file. So now it's in this Untitled folder. It may be that you need to do that step. So now what I can do to add my audio, insert audio, and then I'm going to go to my Drive, and again, here's that example audio. It's only going to show the files that are available, that are saved as MP3s really, or a compatible file format. So I'm going to click on this example audio, click select, and it's going to drop this little audio button in here for me to play what I recorded. So I can put it wherever I want on the slideshow. If I don't want the kids to see it, I just want it up here so they don't see it. I can hide it up in the top so it'll automatically play. And you'll notice when I click on it here, on the right hand side, you've got some options on when it'll start playing. So either on click, which means you want to put it where the kids can find it, right? Or automatically, so I'm going to put it on automatically. You can select the volume, and you can actually even just, if you don't want to put that up there, I can hide the icon when presenting. And if I wanted it to be like a music, like a background music on my slides, I could loop the audio so that it keeps, when it's done with the audio, it'll start all over. You can make it so it'll play throughout the entire slideshow. So if I wanted it to just keep playing the music all the way through the slideshow, I could do this, turn this stop on slide change. So those are your options for your audio playback, so that now when I click, I've got it set so that it's going to automatically play at full volume, and it's going to hide the icon when I present. So when I share this with my students, either published or in preview mode so that it's presented, so that my students present it, it will automatically play the audio.
Please complete the directions on slide 1, then go to slide 2.
And it hides the little icon so that students don't see it while it's playing. So that's how you add audio to a slideshow. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.